What's up, guys? Welcome to our new video. This video is about the best portable solar panel. After deep research, we made a list of the best portable solar panel for your needs and budgets. In this video, we will review the best 5 portable solar panels available on the market. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We mention all the product links in the description below. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the efechoflow 160W panel. efechoflow's panel is positioned on this checklist for one reason: it's an effectively waterproof photovoltaic panel. That indicates it's better for wet settings than almost any competing item. Mainly, it's I67 rated, which is a standard rating suggesting it's 100% safeguarded against the sand and can be immersed in approximately 1 meter of water for 30 minutes without harm. This is the most usual rating for water-resistant things on the marketplace since it's the initial level that's genuinely waterproof. The just better ranking, I68, is for long-lasting immersion under high pressure. That's not relevant to most solar panels. efechoflow's panel can be found at 160W, which is greater than most of the competition. It also comes with a NAC4 connector that allows you to connect numerous panels if you need to acquire several of them simultaneously. Unique ports make it simple to mount, though you may need to get among the business's power stations for the most acceptable efficiency. This panel is visibly much more pricey than most of the various other options on this checklist. In this instance, what you're spending is the exceptional waterproofing and defense, as opposed to raw producing capacity. Our number 4 pick is the Doco 220W panel. Doco's panel is the reverse of the previous option. At 220W, this is just one of the highest capacity portable solar panels. Most rivals peak at 200W max, and it's not unusual to see them linger around 100W. That implies this panel creates far more power in the same quantity of time than any other alternative right here. To some extent, the real benefits here likewise make it a little difficult to recommend. Smaller photovoltaic panels transform power straight for usage with tools like intelligent devices. Still, this panel functions best when you hook it up to a power converter, portable generator, or large battery. That means you'll need to get an intermediary device in most conditions. However, while it concentrates on more comprehensive tools, it usually has USB ports for charging. That's the link many people respect, and the flexibility here means this panel more than gains its area on this listing. Our number 3 pick is the Big Blue 28W charger. Big Blue's 28W battery charger has a lower billing capacity than many of the other alternatives on this checklist, yet it's also extra cost-effective than the other options. That makes it an excellent backup option or mid-range pick when you only require some power for your tools. This panel is likewise remarkably efficient for its size, transforming 24% of the energy it gets into electricity. Many panels cap out at about 20%, so this panel gets even more power from less space. Meanwhile, the polymer surface area helps safeguard this panel from the aspects, while rubber port guards make sure dirt and particles cannot go into those areas. This is a good option for building smaller-sized and lighter tools like smartphones and tablet computers. It doesn't produce enough power for laptops and various other energy-hungry devices. However, that's fine since individuals do not constantly require great ability. Our number 2 pick is the Topsolar Solar Ferry 100W. Topsolar's 100W Solar Ferry panel is an outstanding big panel that you can handle the go. Dimension is just one of the essential factors impacting solar power generation. This panel's ability to unfold from a briefcase to a full-size panel makes it very useful for many people. Nevertheless, another point that separates this panel, it concentrates on charging the power plant. Many solar panels stress providing sufficient power to tiny power gadgets like tablet computers, mobile phones, and some televisions. The Solar Ferry, on the other hand, works exceptionally well at charging portable power plants and aiding you in saving power for later usage. The one genuine drawback of this product is that it doesn't have a built-in power financial institution as our leading choice does. If it did, it would be our total fave. Despite that, its 100W of creating capability with the ability to outcome a lot to 1 DC port makes this a far better choice than numerous completing items. Our number 1 pick is the Hillaki portable power bank. Hillaki's portable photovoltaic panel isn't one of the most powerful battery chargers. However, in terms of power at one time, it's among the most affordable on this list. However, it's the most effective overall because it comes with a high-capacity power bank. Or rather, you could claim this is a power bank with a photovoltaic panel connected to it. Most photovoltaic panels need you to either utilize the electricity as it's created or acquire a pricey power bank to attach to it. This solar panel doesn't have that problem because you can leave it out all day and utilize the saved power whenever possible. For context, this panel's power financial institution can charge a regular smart device about 8 times without re-energizing. This panel also has a sturdy design that's functionally shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof. That makes it ideal for most exterior and wilderness activities, consisting of usage throughout emergencies. As if that had not been good enough, this photovoltaic panel has a brilliant, built-in LED flashlight for added energy. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.